What's up guys, welcome to another 911 Gadgets video. In this video we're gonna open this box which has 9 iPhone 8s. 8 of them are C grade and 1 of them is a B grade. So we're gonna see the difference between those two. We're just gonna check through all these phones and make sure that they're all working properly. And this is just a video to show you guys the quality that we get, how easy, how fast we can flip them. If you guys have any questions, please leave us a comment down below. If you wanna learn where I got these from, if you guys wanna learn about how to open your cell phone repair shop, if you guys wanna learn how to unlock and how to find devices like these, want to learn how to fix them, where to buy parts and all that stuff, visit our website 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. Alright guys, so we have this box here. We're gonna go ahead and just open. And we're kind of just gonna speed through this. This is how these come. Alright, so we have the, okay, this is grade B, alright, so it comes in a box. The rest of them are grade C's. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Go ahead and stack them up real quick. And we'll start opening these up. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. So this is our grade B. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here it is. You can see the screen. A little scratched up, you guys can tell right there, but nevertheless, pretty good condition. There it is. No blemishes on the screen as far as spots or anything like that. The frame is just in excellent condition. There we go. Let's go ahead and log it in. This is so annoying, right? All this stuff we have to go through. There it is. Okay, here we go. See, there's no iCLoud. General, about. This is a 64 gig. Let's go ahead and check that front and back camera. Here it is. No, front camera. There it is, guys. So far, so good. Now, you guys could, once you get your batch of these, you guys can check for sounds and all that stuff. I'm not gonna do all that. Plus, we have warranty. So we give our customers warranty and our source gives us warranty as well. So we have, I think, 60 to 90 days of warranty. So that's really a no-brainer. If you're gonna buy phones from OfferUp and stuff like that versus this, you know, you have warranty at least, okay? So, and we make anywhere from $60 to $150 every time we sell these. Even after the expense of buying them, you know, we make anywhere from 60 to 150 bucks. So check it out. The link's gonna be in the description. Go to 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. All the sources are in there, and please join the Facebook group. We're always there to help each other out. Alright guys, so that's the first one. Let's go ahead and turn this one off. Here's number 1. Put it back in the box. Okay, so here's 1 down and 8 to go.
Give the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars. your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
That one was a little muffled, guys. So, you know, about me is I'm all about honesty. You know, I don't like to play games or flaunt or front. You know, so anything you guys get from me is gonna be the real deal. So this is why I'm showing you guys that. This one was a little bit muffled. Now there's a chance that I may need to open this one just so I don't have to ship it back. But since I know how to do this stuff, you know, I'll just open it and clean it out really good. But most of the times you don't have to. Okay. Let's go ahead and test it out now. Oh yeah. You can totally hear it now. Yep, there it is, guys. So that one was a little bit dirty. So now we're able to hear it good. If you guys have any problems, you have warranty on these devices, or if you know how to open phones, just open it. Your customer might come back and say that something's muffled. Let's say you didn't test them all, right? But they say, oh, I can't hear anything. Then all you have to do is open it real quick. And what it'll look like, here, let's put this one away. Actually, I didn't see the back of this one. Let's see. I'm not surprised. This is really good. Yeah. And then the frame, hands down, you know, really good. So let's put this one away. And what I was saying is, if you do get a phone that's dirty, you know, all you gotta do is you open it. And you see this right here? Oops. You see this right here? That's what you clean off. Like, that's the mesh right there. You just clean it with alcohol. You see that? This mesh needs to get cleaned because it's gunk, you know, gunky stuff. You can just test it just the way that I showed you guys just now. Go ahead and test the devices. Go to do the sound test, and you know, from there we go. We have all of these are great. We only had this one last one that had a little bit of a muffled sound, but now it's working perfectly, and we are ready to flip them. Okay. Now all of these are unlocked. They're factory unlocked, so you can sell them anywhere in the world. I had this guy just message me from Romania. You know, I can pretty much offer him one of these for a little bit more expensive because I know that the market is more expensive in other countries. So if you guys are in the United States, you guys can flip these on OfferUp, or if you have your customers like I do already, I have this guy, you know, he's just gonna take all these, he's gonna send them to Mexico. I pretty much doubled my profit on these. If you're selling them on OfferUp, or if you sell them to your local stores, you could probably make a good, you know, anywhere $60 to $150 on top of each one of these, all right? So these are factory unlocked, so they'll work with any carrier. You don't have to worry about anything. So, and they are CDMA unlocked, meaning that you can use them with Sprint, Verizon, Boost, because if they're GSM unlocked, they probably will only work with GSM carriers, AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket. But if you get them CDMA unlocked, right, they will be they will work for CDMA networks like Sprint, Boost, and all these other ones, Verizon, and GSM as well, AT&T. So our source offers the CDMA unlocked. I think they also offer GSM. They're usually a little bit cheaper, but mostly I see the CDMA ones. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I know this was a long video, and it was just pretty much testing them. I didn't do much to them, but I hope this video helped you in some way. If you guys are interested in buying our curriculum, so you can learn how to open your cell phone repair shop, learn all about unlocking phones, learn about buying and selling phones, and most importantly, get the sources of where we unlock and where we get parts and phones, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. I thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next video.